Hey everyone! Today we're going to have so much fun making our very own DIY stickers together. First, let's start by finding some cute illustrations. I love drawing my own stickers because it adds a personal touch. One of my favorite books, How to Draw 500 Everyday Things, is full of adorable and easy designs, and I'll share the link in the description below. I've picked out some cute summer-themed drawings for us. You can join in and draw along with me. Just grab any paper you have and sketch the designs you want to turn into stickers. Make sure they're the size you want. Once you're happy with your drawings, add some color to them and cut them out in the shapes you like. Now, here comes the fun part. Lay down a sheet of parchment paper and cover it with a large piece of clear packing tape, making sure it's big enough to fit all your sticker drawings. Place your stickers on the tape, then cover them with another piece of clear tape. Finally, cut out each sticker and there you go, your very own homemade stickers. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun and creative ideas.